One, two, three.
Hello fam, this is Divine Collections today and I am coming at you with another video, and today's video is on how to create your own braided wig. Okay, I know we all, for most of us, we all have a hairpiece or two in our closet, in our storage bin, and that we are not using anymore, and we want to recycle, or we are just thinking of ideas on what to do with it. So I had an idea, and today I decided that I am going to create a braided wig with the wig that I had. It's actually not an old wig, it's just a wig that I purchased not that long ago, but I just decided that it'll be probably one of my better wigs to turn into a braided wig. Now this is a disclaimer, if you want to go ahead and do this, you are gonna have to be able to braid. Okay, so that's one thing. So there, you know, I mean, that's just one of the things, but I just decided that I will show you what it is that I decided to do. So here I am with my braided wig, and with my regular wig that I have decided that I am going to braid. So this is it. I've already sectioned the part that I'm gonna braid down, and then I'm gonna do the top. Okay, it is a lace, it is a regular wig. It just has a lace part in the top, which you will see later, but as for now, I'm just going ahead and braiding down this part. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate a little bit. I'm not gonna show it all because it's gonna be too long, and we don't want a super long video. Okay, so I just wanted to demonstrate what I'm doing, and then we can go from there. Okay, just to inspire you on what can be accomplished. Okay, so this is the braiding hair that I'm using. It comes in 3 bundles, and it was purchased from my local beauty supply. It's called it's from African Collection, and it's called pre-stretched braid, and it's 24 inches. It's 3X Rua, and this particular color, well, the first color I used was color number 30, and this particular color is SM27/613. So it's like a platinum mixed with color number 27. That's what it is. Okay, so it has like an ombre effect with the platinum on the bottom, and so it's already pre-stretched, so no need to do any extra work. Okay, so I've already started in, as you can see, with the color number 30, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of the 30 also in the back as well, just highlights here and there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have my sectioning rack right here, which I'm gonna use to lay the hair as I go along. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna section out some hair pieces. Please don't mind my washing machine. We gotta do laundry this Saturday. But so I'm just sectioning out some of the blonde, and I'm gonna also put some of this number 30 as well on here. Just so we have a variety of everything. Alright, so here I am. I've sectioned the hair, and I'm getting ready to start. Okay. So. Started. Started and yeah. So now I'm mixing in the 30 in there with it. Okay. Where we're at. Making sure that we're getting all the hairs need to be gotten. Braiding it down. Alright, so I'm just going to finish this one up and then I will continue on the rest of the others, okay? Alright friends, this is what we have thus far. I've braided down the back. The top about 3/4 from the crown down to the bottom. So that this is it. I'm actually boiling some water to dip it so that way it lays and it's straighter. So, and then I'm gonna come back and do the top. Okay, so all I have left is the top area from the crown up to the. Hello fam. So I am back doing the front. As you can see, there's a frontal part. This is where the lace is. So I'm just doing the front. I'm gonna do the first. I don't like the first quarter of the front because I did the half of the first half, and I have this part to do, and then I'm gonna do this other half where the bun is. So, yep, I'm just braiding it down as the second step in the process, and that's where I'm at. So, yep, just separating the hair. All right, so I'm completing the first half of the front, and then I'm gonna go ahead and continue on to the second half. So this is it. Go ahead and finish this braid, and then I'm gonna go ahead on braiding. Okay, and I'm only using the color SN27/613, which is like the 27 mixed with the platinum for the front. So I'm just using one color. Yeah, so I use the number 30 and the numbers and the 27 platinum in the back. So it has more of a mixed color in the back, and then I'm just using this. And this is the looks thus far. Let me take it off the those tripods. So this is it for the braid thus far. And I just have the second half of the front to do, and then I'll be done. Okay, so yep, we are almost done. Quite excited. The back, I dipped the back in hot water, and it's almost dry, so that's what I like. It's kind of, it's not dripping anymore. So yep, you can see the lace in the front. That's the part, and then we're gonna do this part. Excited to be almost done.